Turbocharger maintenance should be performed once a week while it is still attached to the engine. First, clean the compressor. Drain the charging air pipe and air cooler. Pour water into the turbocharger while running the engine at a high load, waiting more than 10 minutes between each pouring. It is inadvisable to pour in water more than 3 to 4 times. Run the engine for more than 1 hour after pouring in water in order to dry the compressor. Measure the lube oil pressure of the turbocharger. Check that the pressure is over 0.3 megapascal. Replace the paper element if the pressure is below 0.3 megapascal. Do not reuse the paper element.